Alright. I got this here I'm going to shoot at with this, my carry gun. .22 Magnum, North American Arms. No rear sights. I'm going to take a 5 step back, carefully aim with this .22 shell casing I poked in this styrofoam insulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's that there. Don't know if you can see it or not. I'll take the camera down. Sorry about the shaking. Let me get it off the tripod here. And I'll show you. Okay. That's not too bad. That's actually very good. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 steps away, carefully aiming. Now with this gun, it looks like there's a rear sight, but there's not. If you look, there's nothing that sticks up. Okay, there's no rear sight. You basically have to take the front sight and put it on, try and line it up with what you see of the firing pin, and just make sure the top of it's flat, you know, so you're not seeing anything sticking up. You gotta get it right at that point and then go from there. But that's 5 paces back. That's pretty much more about the maximum self-defense type of distance. And right there, I'd say, I don't know, inch and a half group, 5-shot group. That's really not bad at all. I have not practiced with this a whole lot, and that was not bench resting. But I just wanted to show you that that's not that bad. With a lot of practice, I bet we could get even tighter than that. I'll try some more. Thanks for watching.